Hello, tech lovers. Welcome back to your favorite channel, Technology Hub. Today, we're diving into Samsung's groundbreaking 2025 flagship phones. Oh yes, Samsung has done it again, and trust me, this time, they've really pushed the boundaries of what a smartphone can do. Samsung is back with two powerhouse devices, the Galaxy S25 Ultra and the Galaxy Z Fold 5 Pro. Whether you're a photography enthusiast, a multitasking pro, or someone who just loves cutting-edge design, these phones will blow your mind. Let's talk about design first. The Galaxy S25 Ultra features a sleek, all-titanium frame. Yes, titanium, making it lighter and stronger than ever before. And check out the Z Fold 5 Pro with its completely crease-free foldable display. It's like holding the future in your hands. And here's the kicker. Samsung introduced a brand new Aurora Spectrum finish. This means the back of the phone changes colors depending on the light. It's absolutely mesmerizing. Both devices come with Samsung's latest Infinity Quantum display. This isn't just marketing talk. It's the brightest, clearest, and most vibrant display Samsung has ever created. The S25 Ultra boasts a 6.9-inch QHD Plus panel with a buttery-smooth 240 Hz refresh rate. And the Fold 5 Pro? When unfolded, you get a stunning 7.8-inch AMOLED masterpiece, perfect for gaming, multitasking, and binge-watching your favorite shows. Now, let's talk about what's under the hood. Both devices are powered by Samsung's latest Exynos 2500 chip, built on a 2nm process. This means they're faster, more efficient, and ready to tackle anything you throw at them, whether it's 4K video editing, high-end gaming, or AI-powered apps. And to keep everything running smoothly, Samsung packed these phones with a massive 6,000 mAh battery and lightning-fast 150W charging. Say goodbye to battery anxiety. Now, here's where things get really exciting, the camera setup on the S25 Ultra. Samsung has taken mobile photography to the next level with a jaw-dropping 200MP primary sensor. Yes, you heard that right, 200 megapixels. It also comes with a super periscope zoom that lets you capture crystal-clear photos of objects miles away. And for the Z Fold 5 Pro, Samsung's added a new AI-enhanced camera suite that optimizes every shot on the fly. Think of it as your personal photography assistant. Let's not forget the software. Both phones run on One UI 6.5, based on Android 15. It's cleaner, faster, and more customizable than ever before. Plus, Samsung's added a new feature called Galaxy Sync, which seamlessly connects your phone with your laptop, tablet, and even your TV. It's like having an ecosystem that works for you. Now, I know what you're thinking. What's the price tag? The Galaxy S25 Ultra starts at $1,399, while the Fold 5 Pro starts at $1,799. Expensive? Sure. But with everything these phones offer, it's totally worth it. So, what do you think about Samsung's 2025 lineup? Are you Team S25 Ultra or Team Z Fold 5 Pro? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss an update from Technology Hub. See you in the next one.